Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Christmas decorations are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Ribbons of molten plastic meet ribbons of color, ruby red, metallic gold, and deep green. Each dye is added in carefully measured proportions. Paddles sweep the basin, folding the hues over one another again and again until they balance.
Color ratio at 56 red, 34 green, 10 gold. Glitter flow up to 60%.
Furnace stable at 725, ornament finish is locking in.
Copy. Batch 12 confirmed for packaging.
Perfect. Santa's gonna like this run.
Look at expensive. Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Renovation. Every product is checked before leaving the facility. Inspection process. The one Dweller class's paint can be prepared with a sand of the right renovation class paint, together to that collection performance involvement, without a line on that yearly
ornaments. And our finance, and they're ready to connect and launch business 30 days. And that's how Christmas decorations are made, from start to finish.